Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages or chats. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up WhatsApp. Now go ahead and check your settings at the top right, tap on three dots, go to settings. Let's go ahead and check our backups. Okay, you have chats right here. Tap on it, and then go ahead and find chat backup. Now in here, go ahead and check when the chat or the backup was made. As you can see here, it's pretty recent. In my case, 11:29, and it's just almost 4 p.m. So if you have deleted the message, for example, at 11:28, okay, so that means it's still backed up. And do make sure that your automatic backups right here is set to daily. All right, so once that's done, once you remember that your last chat was made at this time, well, you can just go ahead and reinstall the WhatsApp app, and then it will just ask you to continue using your backup. So how do we use the backup? Just basically log in with the same Google account right here, or the same phone number. All right, so to do it, go ahead and close the application, find the app, uninstall, and then once done, reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store. And then in the next page, it will just ask you to restore from backup. Now go ahead and select that option, and after that, your messages should be restored. Again, messages sent or received after the last backup will be permanently lost. And you must use the same phone number and Google Cloud or Google Cloud or iCloud account used to create the backup. If no backup exists, there are third-party applications that you can use to try and restore your backups. Okay, if you want me to create those kind of videos, just gotta let me know in the comments below. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.